It is Stephen Davis here. In this video I want to show how to remove the motherboard of a motorgate, and in this specific case is the motherboard of a ET Systems DC2 L. This may apply to many other similar motors. First, turn off the electrical supply and turn it off, and it is maybe even better to remove the plug just for extra security. Then remove the screws of the cover. Having removed the cover, you will now see the motherboard, and here are two plugs on the one left hand side and the other side. They may, in your case, you may have one plug, or I don't know, but here we have two plugs connecting the motors of the garage gate to the motherboard. Simply remove the plug by pulling it out towards you. In this case, I will not physically remove it. Don't find it necessary. And then all you do is you just gently pull this out. There are four places where this motherboard is connected to the system, to the backboard, and then you just remove it. If you can't pull it forward, just take a pin, the back of a pin, cut it off, and then you just insert this round hollow point of the pin into that and turn it until it becomes loose, and there you can have your motherboard, control board, and then take it to the repairers. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe.